Hello guys. So whenever we buy a new trays or whenever we use trays and the harvest is done, generally we end up with a dirty trays. So even if you buy a new trays, generally when in delivery they get dirty. So one method which we have to use it, we have to clean our trays properly and we have to make sure that if there is any mold or fungus or any bacterial growth is happen on the tray, it should be wiped out very clearly. So I'm gonna use hydrogen peroxide for this. Hydrogen peroxide is a very good solvent. And it is a very good solvent with the water, and it cleans up the dirt, bacteria and everything very properly. The ratio I'm gonna use is, I'm gonna use 3 ml of hydrogen peroxide for 1 liter of water. So I have taken 1 liter of water. I'm just gonna take 3 ml of hydrogen peroxide into my syringe. So this is 3 ml of a hydrogen peroxide. So you can see it here, it's a 3 ml. I'll put this hydrogen peroxide 3 ml into this water, and it will work as a proper disinfector for our trays. So just let's keep the hydrogen peroxide away, and so we have our water ready. Let's rinse it, put some air into it, and let's take our first tray. So this is a tray. You can see the fungus and mold formation issues here. We're gonna clean this tray using this hydrogen peroxide solution. So the easiest method is just spray your water, hydrogen peroxide onto it. Remove it. Mix it again. And so the proper flow is here. This is how we are cleaning it. We're gonna need 2 more equipments for this. I'll just show you in a bit. So the tray is properly wet. I'm gonna use this wiper, which will take the water. I'll shoot this water at the top. And if you can see the fungus or molds formation very promptly or very strongly, you can use brush like this and you can give a thorough cleanup with the brush. Don't lose the corners, clean it properly. After doing this, we're gonna do 1 more spray of hydrogen peroxide on this. So generally, again, we have seen this into the last video. A lot of people are a little bit skeptical about hydrogen peroxide. So hydrogen peroxide is nothing but H2O2, which is very close relative to the water. So if you keep hydrogen peroxide in the open air for a few days, the toxicity will be removed and it will form a normal water. So this has given me a little bit of confidence for using hydrogen peroxide as a cleaning agent for the trays. So now our trays are completely cleaned from inside. But the story doesn't end here. We have to do this on the back side of the trays. Because sometimes what happens is the roots will come out from the holes or pores which we have at the back of the trays. When the roots are coming out here, there can be a algae or a molds formation can be happening here. So we have to clean that as well. So the method is very much simple. Again, we'll pour hydrogen peroxide onto it. So cleaning this with hydrogen peroxide is much more easier, just compared to rinsing it with water. Alternatively, what you can do is, you can make a bigger solution, like you can take a little bit bigger tub like this. You can take a 5 liter of water and put the hydrogen peroxide accordingly into it, like 3 ml for 1 liter means 12 ml of hydrogen peroxide into it, and you can dip your trays completely into that solution. That is much more easier if you are going for commercial scale. That operation is much more easier compared to spraying water into it and cleaning it individually. You can directly dip your trays completely into it. So the only thing is you need little bit bigger of tubs to do that. For NFT method, you can again do the same thing. You can directly rinse them with the hydrogen peroxide, or you can dip them into the hydrogen peroxide solution. So I'm gonna brush it up a little bit. this on the sides as well. Pour our hydrogen peroxide solution one more time. Our tray is completely clean and we can use this tray for the next plantation. So generally this tray is wet. So what I'm gonna do is I'll keep it into the sun dry to dry it for like 15 to 20 minutes. It will be dry completely, or I can put it anywhere. I have to just make sure that it's completely dried. There is no water residence on it. The hydrogen peroxide will get evaporated into the air, and so we will not get any traces of hydrogen peroxide into our seeds or any our production. So this is the basic method of cleaning of our tray. The alternative method is you can take the tub, you can fill it with the water, and you can dip your trays directly into the water. Even that method works, it gives the same result. The rinsing process is much simpler, much easier. At commercial scale, I'll suggest take a water into the tub and dip your trays in.